Welcome to Visionary Ventures Pros, your tutor for creating engaging content. In the world of social media marketing, content is king. At Visionary Ventures Pros, we specialize in creating content that captures the attention of your audience and drives engagement. Whether it's eye-catching graphics, compelling videos, or thoughtful captions, we know how to create content that resonates with your audience. We work with our clients to develop a content strategy that aligns with their business objectives and supports their brand. From there, we create a content calendar that ensures consistency and keeps your social media presence fresh and engaging. Don't struggle to come up with new ideas for your social media content. Trust Visionary Ventures Pros to create engaging content that drives results for your business.